Mine. I forgot this phone don't have a fucking pause button on it. Okay. So welcome back to Wild RC. I look like hell. I've been sick here lately. Got a new video. Obviously, you're watching it. But it's yeah, that thing right there. I can't say the name of it because I heard they're so happy, whatever. But I got that, and I wanted to try and compare it to this truck, however that's possible. And it's not going to be easy because the wheels don't turn that good because I pulled the motor out. And apparently that holds the axle down. Which the axle turns out to be made out of that clear plastic if I can get this trunk open. Hey, is that the trunk or the hood? Yeah, you can see that axle looks like dental floss. Yeah. And I would be comparing it with the other truck, but I'll show you what Earl looks like. Because I recently pulled the truck out of the river, and yeah, it ain't doing too good. So these are tired. And I forgot this camera don't have a pause button, so the whole time you're going to be watching this video, I'm going to be throwing stuff together as quick as possible. Only thing that sucks about that is you can see what I'm doing the whole entire time, so it ain't a surprise. Yeah, I know. One of these days I'll figure out how to edit videos. Well, Earl's too big. I mean, Earl's a second. Alright. Might I add, that's a heavy ass truck too. I mean, this thing weighs probably 6 or 7 pounds. And the car's pretty tough too. Oh, I see the damage. Alright. We're gonna do that again. Yeah, Earl Senior, because this truck was before the old Chevrolet. Yeah, what was I saying? I was trying to figure out what to call this truck. Yeah, Earl Senior, he's a big increase from that. What the hell was I saying? I don't know. This truck does not like driving straight at all. It takes 3 times to get him to hit the car. They just don't like driving straight. Yeah, what was I saying earlier? This truck's so big it don't fit on the ramp like the old trucks do. You gotta flip the ramp upside down and balance them on there, which is pretty hard whenever this truck don't want to go straight at all. But other than that, he's like 10 times tougher than Earl is so far. Got a little scratch on there, but it's going to be worth it compared to what happened to that car. Not really a scratch, to be honest with you. Oh yeah, a big dent. Or is that the keyhole? That's the keyhole. There you go, a little scratch on the fender. Now this is going to be really interesting right here. Wonder what happens. Scratched it. Scratched it. Oh, this is going to be really awesome. I think that might total it. Just because of how heavy Earl is. Not really. I mean, push the axle up, but like I said, I pulled the motor out, so the axle ain't really going to hold up too good. But this scratcher right there, I ain't looking for scratches. I'm looking for total. There we go. Matter of fact, I'm trying to get you the best camera angle possible. How's that gonna work out? That's gonna work out great. Damn. We're gonna try front end. Front end impact, honestly, got a little scuff where Earl hit it. That's it. And Earl's damage, there is none. This is a tough ass truck. But I'm gonna load the truck down with some weight, and I'm gonna hit the car, and I'm gonna show you how that's gonna go. It's so much easier world being a flatbed. If Earl Sr. survives this, he's officially took the other Earl's position. The other Earl ain't completely totaled. The other Earl can technically still do these videos. But if this truck makes it, it took his spot. That's not what I meant. The truck, I mean, I gotta get a bigger ramp is all. And he'll do just fine. So obviously he made it. And I mean, it's got a little scuff where the weight hit the back of the truck. That can be fixed with strapping shit down. Other than that, the Chevrolet emblem come off. And that can be reattached. I feel like this truck will do just fine. So here's what I want to do. With Earl being bone stock, he hits shit just fine because he's so heavy. So really the weights ain't necessary. It's more of a fair test than it's ever been. But here's what I want to do, is knock that door off. And it's gonna happen. Overestimated. Underestimated. Okay, truck ain't going straight. Something's going on. Well, I knocked the back glass out. Yeah, she's looking a whole lot better. What the heck is this? I had enough laying around. There we go, I got my voice back again. I can get her to grab like that. There we go. Oh boy. Earl Sr.'s fixing to... Yeah, he's fixing to tear this Ferrari up. Y'all ready? Because I'm ready. That didn't do shit. Okay. Ramp got twisted. These videos ain't as easy as you think. I'm fixing to send this shit with 2 Uggs and a Dugga. Earl's probably gonna be maxed out on this one. Yes, I'm using heavy ass lining sockets to do this. Because I mean, they're heavy as shit. Like, perfect idea for this. Yeah, you could probably say that good. I wasn't expecting that shit to work this good. Cab ain't even out of line. Because that was the main flaw with Earl Jr. Which side did I hit? I think I hit this side. I can't remember how I put the car on there. But either way, it's enough goofing around. This car is fixing to get fucked up. we're officially totaling the car in this last scene. Actually, I'm using the old drill to hold the car back. Hey, who's been fucking with this? This truck went through hell and back. That's why I got Earl Senior, because Earl Senior's a flatbed that I can strap shit down on where he don't get totaled on video. Which, I mean, not really that I give a shit, but my truck lasts longer. I mean, just look at how perfect this works. And if I strap them down, I can put 3 right here, 2 right here, 1 right here. This truck will be like 50 pounds. Oh, it's gone on this one, buddy. It's gonna be gone. Hold on. Holy shit, this truck's heavy. Probably gonna damage Earl Jr. in the process. Oh my God. You should have seen how fast this truck hit the ground. Jesus. It's gonna total, that truck's gonna be fucked and that car's gonna be demolished. If it hits. Why do you think I said if it hits? I don't trust this damn thing. It ain't gonna make it from the top of the hill to the bottom, so I'm gonna set it right here. Oh, ain't no wonder you can't see the damn thing anyway. There you go. Actually, you're gonna get the front room seat. You're gonna see everything. If the guy Goddamn thing works. Where's that last little socket? Whatever. There's a little socket. It's in the Bermuda Triangle now. I done gave up. So I'm gonna back this truck up about right here. See how heavy this damn truck is? It would take Earl Jr. out and probably half load. Yeah, I know I sound like coronavirus and fucking Lyme disease. I'm getting over it. That's my vocal cords strained. Jesus. Oh, she's gone, buddy. Yeah, this car ain't gonna last too much longer, guys. I'm gonna tell you. Don't get attached to it. So I think I'm fixing to take it all the way out. Damn it. What am I doing wrong? Get that Kirby broke. It's literally the weakest thing in the world. I'm thinking about hooking this truck up in the fucking trailer. I really am. Running it down that ramp sideways. We're gonna try that. Well, this phone just broke. No, it didn't. You just had every single socket hit you. Long story short, it didn't hit the car. And I don't want to cheat this video by not hitting it with the truck and just rolling sockets down. But I'm very, very fucking tempted to. Seeing how much I moved just loading the sockets up. Now I'm gonna load this truck as much as it'll take. In real life, that's about 20 tons coming at it. At about a 30-degree angle. This car is still easily restorable. Only thing that's wrong with it is it's scratched. That's literally it. Poor Earl. He's fixing to take a shit ton of heat. No more Mr. Nice Guy. I'm toting this car if it's the last thing I do. Earl lived a good life. He's fixing to get demolished. And so is this car. If not, I'm getting pissed off. And I'm swapping these sockets for all heavy duty. I gotta tell you, this is one heavy ass truck. Let me just show you what that looks like to me. First things first, I hope nobody loved Earl. Because he ain't doing too good. Although I did. Second, how the fuck is that thing still together? Third, that truck is probably about had it. First things first, Earl, he looks about the same actually. But he's retired anyway. He ain't technically supposed to be working. But look at that body line. He's toast. So, there goes Earl. He still holds shit up, but that's it. And by the way, I'm getting another one of them just because I like this so much. And he's just going to live over there. Second, what I truly give a shit about. Looks exactly the same, just scratched up and missing the emblem. Other than that, axles might be fucked on it. Third, hardly even another scratch. I mean, scuff marks, that's it. I'm working on it. I'm working on it, I really am. If it's the last thing I do, I'm getting rid of this car. I will find a way to destroy it. But, putting my pride aside, it's a tough car. Second, we're doing the same thing. I'm just trying to get it to disappear at this point. I'm praying that it's going to disappear. Earl's fixing to... He's fixing to hate his afterlife. I'm trying, guys. I'm using literally every single resource that I got. And let me just go ahead and show you how much I'm loading this truck. So don't tell me I ain't trying. Wait for it. And by the way, I'm breaking something on the car. I'm going to. So if that glass arrives, I don't know what to tell you. I'm trying over here. I really am. And I'm going to do my best to give you the greatest camera angle too. God, if I can only put you inside of that. What happened? But first, I wanted to see what happened to this car. What's this thing about? 6,000, no motor. At least they were honest. There ain't a scratch on this thing. Water root interior. That's it. Good cargo space. Literally a good bath, a motor, and it's good. And I can get at the motor. And I know just where to get it too. I don't know, guys. Unless Earl Sr. will fit in this, I don't know what to tell you. He don't. Only ramp he does fit in is that humongous one, and I don't feel like dragging that motherfucker out. Yeah, with him being a 60s cab over, it's a wide ass truck. Look how wide this thing is. So I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. He's just too damn heavy. But I got one other plan. And by the way, that glass arrived. How's that shit so tough? I'm destroying that Ferrari no matter what it takes. When I say no matter what it takes, I can get another one of them. This is just my milestone now. I ain't doing the math. I'm going to ask you guys. What do you think the chance of surviving this is? Hey, I did find a mirror. Maybe out of this. Three, two, one. Here's the other problem. I gotta get really close. I really do. I gotta get super close. Because this truck likes to veer off. Because I probably fucked up the lineman in it doing this. I see no structural damage, a missing screw, an offset axle, and that's it. But that ain't all. I got more tricks up my sleeve. You think I'm maxing the truck out? I'm not. I can add easily 4 more weights, which I'm gonna do. That was the quickest fall I've ever seen a truck do. And that is the strongest Ferrari I've seen in my life. I'm totaling this motherfucker. I'm going to. Say goodbye to this car right now. When I figure out how to strap weights down, say goodbye to any car. I'm gonna have this shit figured out soon. And we're gonna need a more heavy duty truck, I can go tell you. 3, 2, 1. This truck just glided over top of this car. It's like the most Fast and Furious shit I've ever seen. We locked up something on it. Frank ain't got a scratch on him. Yeah, the truck's new name's Frank. I started thinking about it. Okay, he's looking a little sad, but that's totally fine. I expected this truck to get banged the fuck up. Just saying. There we go. Every single ounce of weight hit it. That's what I like to see. We're gonna do that one more again. There we go. We're banging it up. Once you get that breaking point, you're good. And I might have just fucked this truck up. I forgot the wheels are supposed to do that. So every once in a while, you gotta do this. Press against these wheels because they're removable. I saw a tire fly off and I went, fuck. Alrighty. This is the toughest car I've seen in my entire fucking life. It's getting hit by a 7-pound truck with probably 10 pounds of weight behind it. And it's just taking it. Taking it. And I know it's weak. This is the worst built car I've seen ever. If we can get one goal achieved today, I'm good. This truck is so heavy right now, it can take Earl out in one hit. Barely loaded. We might have to cheat a little bit, but I can do it. I just seen what's going on. The truck's riding a wheelie because it's so heavy. That's why it's barely hitting the car. God dang it. Alright. So that's all we can load on it. Damn. Ain't no wonder this motherfucker's taking so much damage. Okay. Say goodbye to this Ferrari. Never mind, that didn't work at all. I don't know, guys. This is the toughest Ferrari I've ever seen in my life. The only thing that came off was the back skid plate and the back window. Meanwhile, this truck's getting banged the fuck up. I don't understand it. But I did figure out how to load shit on the truck, so we're good. As a matter of fact, we're going to do that one test again. Where it's like it's hitting the square part of a building or something. You know what I mean? Like it's eroded. Or bad guys crushing it. Because there's somebody inside they're trying to get to. You know what I mean? Not, you don't know what I mean? That's typical. Not really supposed to. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and overload the shit out of this truck, just letting you know. This truck might not make it on this run, guys. As long as the Ferrari don't, I don't care. I bought this truck to beat up the Ferrari. The car is not restorable anymore, so I would call it a success. But, however, I might just fuck this truck up. However, we're gonna take a good look at everything. Front bumper of the truck's right here. I would say that and the truck is no more because I broke the brackets that holds it. So, there's a mirror. I think came out of the Ferrari. I think it came out of it. You can actually see your own reflection in that. It's crazy. Here is the Ferrari. Still rollable. And I hate that. I wanted this car to get demolished, but here's the only thing I can say about it. Is it's super tough. It still rolls. The axles ain't as bad as I thought they was. Put any kind of weight behind it, that's a different story. Look how tough this car is. I mean, I'm taking this bolt right here. By the way, there's that weight. I'm taking this bolt right here. It's just taking it. Matter of fact. Ow. That's how you're supposed to hold it. Look how tough this car is. I'm barely cracking the windshield. Okay, I'm actually bending the whole entire car. But that's fine. That's what I wanted. Teach you for being a tough Ferrari. Ow. Not gonna lie, guy. That shit hurt. Now this video is probably gonna be shadow banned. One more time. Oh, where'd it go? Oh god. This video is now going to be really shadow banned. Don't look at that. That's catch up. One more thing I want to do to this car just because it pissed me off so bad. How am I going to grab this thing now? Because that shit will burn your hand. Unless I think of something else. Now, take it right here. squaring dirt easily. I'm going to take my shovel that's now got blood all over it. And boom. Oh, that did nothing. Okay. I'm trying to hold my phone and do this at the same time. You see what my goal is here? To get the car dirty. Okay, whatever. You know what? This car is aggravating me so much now. I'm gonna make this car disappear. If it's a red Ferrari, it's dead on this channel. Just letting you know. Which now I think about, I don't think I've ever seen a Ferrari in any other color. Dang it. I wish the blade was still explosive. I'm fixing to blow this bad girl up in 6, 4, 7, 10, 24, 86. Oh, let's not do that. What the hell? I reckon that PBR's, I mean that, whatever that shit is. No, the peanut butter blaster. I reckon it's, non-flammable or something. Oh, never mind. No, it ain't. So, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I had fun. It was awesome. The cars were amazing. You know, just doing that shit again. So fun. But I'm going to catch y'all in the next one. I'm going to make sure this don't burn the grass up. So, see you next time.